today I'm going to talk about the new fidget pack I got. The first thing I'm going to talk about are the poppets. If you don't know what a poppet is, they are a really cool type of toy that you can pop. And as you pop them, they will go to the other side. This one right here is the pineapple poppet. This is the mega poppet. This is the popsicle poppet. And these are the two pea poppets because they look like peas in a pod. The next thing that I'm going to talk about are these. I don't exactly know what they're called, but there's a marble inside this type of net that you can kind of squish it, and then you can roll the marble around inside and stuff. And it's not the only one that I have. This also came with two more of them that work the exact same way. They are just different colors. And I also have these lines of jelly. I call them worms. If you're outside at night and there's a light, these might shine, like glow. And there are three colors: pink, green, and yellow. And I also have a snapper. They usually come in one straight line, and you can break them and attach them together to make things like shapes. And, well, they're really fun to use your creativity with. I tried to make a heart. And there are these two people. You can use them as finger puppets, and their bottoms, I don't know if you can see, but they're made out of the same material that the outside of the marble holder thingies are. So you can push it down, and on the table, if you set them, they will kind of jump up if you hold them down for a bit. And I have these squishy little animals. There's a lot, again, a white lion. There is a green bear head. I don't exactly know what this is, but I think it's a type of dinosaur. And then I have a little purple doggy. And there are some balls with little spikes on them. This is not the only color that they come in. They come in blue, green, and pink. And on the sides, they have little handles, one on each side. You can stretch them, set them on the table, and roll them. You can also bounce them. And the last thing that I have are these little metal circles. I don't really know what they're used for, but you can put them on your fingers and pretend like they're rings. That's what I do. So, yeah, that's all I got.